Web scraping in Python with Fast API. What is Fast API? Fast API is a modern, fast, high-performance web framework for building APIs with Python 3.7 plus based on standard Python type hints. The key features of Fast API are following. Fast API is very fast, very high performance, fast to code, fewer bugs, intuitive, easy, short, robust, and standards based. The installation process of Fast API is very easy, very simple. Use these commands: pip install Fast API, and you will also need an ASGI server for production such as UVcorn or Hypercorn. So use pip install UVcorn. Example is also mentioned here. Create a file main.py with this following code and run the server with this line of code. Now let's get started with our code module. We have two .py files named as scraper.py and main.py file. So first of all, we have scraper.py file. In this py file, we are importing necessary libraries like requests, LXML, HTML, and JSON. Request for making HTTP requests. From LXML, import HTML for parsing HTML content, and importing JSON for working with JSON's data. Now we are creating a function named as product name. The following function takes an item name as input and constructs an eBay UK search URL for the specified item name, and it will return the constructed URL. The important thing to see that in this URL we are targeting item name. Copy this command. So our main focus is item name. We have to scrape item name, and here you will see that item name is showing clearly. And if I replace item name with bags, it will definitely change and we will see bags data here. Similarly, if we replace bags with shoes, then it will automatically replace the bags with shoes, and we will see the shoes items here. So we can see our main focus is item name in this URL. Now we are also defining a function named as getPage. The function getPage takes URL as input, send an HTTP GET request using the requests.get function to fetch the content of the web page, and then uses the HTML.forms string function from the LXML library to parse the HTML content. The parsed content is returned as a soup object, which is an object representing the HTML structure. Now we are also creating another function named as getData. This function means getData is the core of the script. It takes an item name as an input, and it works in the following step. Number 1, it calls the product name function to get the URL of the eBay search with the specified item name. Number 2, it calls the getPage function to fetch the web page content based on the generated URL. Number 3, it uses XPath expression to extract relevant data from the page. In this case, it's extracting the titles and prices of the items. So we can check the XPath. Click on inspect section. Use Ctrl F and write here the XPath. Here you can see 61 XPath. You can see this is the item name and this is the XPath of the item name. One piece is new for ABBA guide slider, etc. And next one, next one, next one, next one. Basically this will operate in a loop as it is inside in a function, and when function will run and loop, our item prices will run. Similarly, for item price we have XPath. It constructs a dictionary named data containing the extracted item title and item prices lists, and it returns this dictionary as the result. So now we have main.py file. In the main.py file, this line from FastAPI import FastAPI, this line imports the FastAPI class from the FastAPI module. FastAPI is a modern web framework for building APIs with Python. The second line from Scrapper import getData. This line imports the getData function from a module named Scrapper, means scrapper.py. This suggests that there is a separate Python file named scrapper.py already here in the same dictionary as the current file main.py, in the same dictionary as the main.py, and it contains the getData function. You can see the getData function is already present here in scrapper.py. So this line imports the getData function from a module named Scrapper. This suggests that there is a separate Python file named scrapper.py in the same directory as the current file, yani main.py, and it contains the getData function. The third line, import JSON. This line imports the JSON module which is used to handle JSON data, including reading and writing JSON files. And this line creates an instance of the FastAPI class and assigns it to the variable app. This instance will be used to define and manage routes and endpoints for the API. Now move toward this section. This section of code defines a route and an associated function. Let's break it down. First of all, this line of code. This is a decorator that defines a route for the root URL. This is the root URL. This is a decorator that defines the route for the root URL. When a user accesses the root URL, the decorated function eBay data will be executed and define eBay data. This is the function definition for eBay data. It will be executed when the associated route is accessed and return get data books. Inside the eBay data function, it calls the get data function. Inside the eBay data function, it calls the get data function imported from the scraper, and it is imported from the scraper.py with the query books. We are querying books from scraper.py. We want to get data of books. So the function retrieves data from eBay search results for the specified query and returns the data. Now we are going to scrape data with the help of Fast API. We are using this command uvicorn main app --reload. The server has been started successfully and application startup completed. Now click on this HTTP link. Here is the scraped data. Click on right here docs. It will redirect you to the Swagger UI. Enter here, click on get data, try it out and execute. Here is the scraped data response body. You can see this is the item title and this is the item price. This is the data relevant to the books. Shop on eBay, the kissing aid, new listing. This is the all about books. Now if we want the data about shoes, we can first of all finish server process, application startup completed. Now again use uvicorn main app --reload. Click on this link. And this is the response body for shoes. As you can see, shop on eBay, women's, ladies, flat comfort, summer sandals, etc. So if you want any type of data, you can use Fast API to scrape data.